You wake up in the morning, you try to swing your legs out of bed, but your knees, they don't want to cooperate. That sharp, stiff feeling shoots through your joints like someone forgot to oil the hinges overnight. Sound familiar? Now, your doctor might tell you it's just arthritis. They might hand you a prescription, maybe even talk about injections or surgery down the road. And those options can cost you thousands of dollars and months of recovery. But what if I told you there are 5 foods sitting in kitchens across the world right now that could help you move easier, sleep better, and wake up without that morning stiffness, without a single pill? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what to eat, when to eat it, and how it actually works to rebuild your joints from the inside out. And whatever you do, don't skip number 3. It's the one most seniors have never heard of, and it could change everything. Let's talk about what's really happening inside your joints. Think of your knee or your hip like a door hinge. When it's new, it moves smoothly because there's grease keeping everything gliding. But over time, that grease dries up. The metal starts rubbing against metal, and eventually you get that creaking, that stiffness, that pain. Your joints work the same way. Inside every joint, you have cartilage, that's the cushion between your bones, and you have synovial fluid, that's the natural lubricant that keeps everything moving smoothly. As we age, our bodies produce less of both. The cartilage wears down, the fluid thins out, and suddenly bone starts grinding on bone. That's when the pain begins. But here's the good news. Your body can still rebuild cartilage. It can still produce that joint fluid. It just needs the right building blocks, and that's exactly what these 5 superfoods are going to give you. Let's get into them. Number 1 is turmeric paired with black pepper. If joint pain had an enemy, turmeric would be public enemy number 1. This bright yellow spice contains something called curcumin, and study after study has shown it fights inflammation as effectively as some over-the-counter pain medications, but without the side effects. Here's the secret most people miss. Turmeric alone doesn't absorb well in your body. You need to pair it with black pepper, just a pinch. Black pepper contains piperine, which increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Mix half a teaspoon of turmeric powder with a pinch of black pepper into a glass of warm milk before bed. You can add a little honey if you like. Drink it every night. Within 2 weeks, you'll start noticing the difference when you wake up. This isn't magic. It's your body finally getting what it needs to calm down that constant inflammation burning inside your joints. Number 2 is bone broth. Your grandmother knew something modern medicine is only now catching up to. Bone broth is packed with collagen, glucosamine, and chondroitin, the exact same ingredients your doctor might recommend in expensive supplement form, except this version comes straight from real food. When you simmer bones for hours, all those nutrients seep into the broth, and when you drink it, your body uses them to rebuild worn-out cartilage. Drink 1 cup of homemade bone broth every morning. You can make it yourself by simmering chicken or beef bones with a splash of vinegar for 12 to 24 hours, or buy high-quality bone broth from a trusted source. Some seniors I know have told me they gave up their glucosamine pills entirely after 3 months of drinking bone broth daily. Their joints felt better, their skin looked better, even their digestion improved. Your body knows what to do with real food. Give it the raw materials, and it will rebuild what's broken. Now, this is the one that surprises people. Number 3 is chia seeds. Chia seeds are absolutely loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, and omega-3s do something incredible. They help your body produce more synovial fluid. That's the natural lubricant I mentioned earlier, the grease for your hinges. But here's what makes chia seeds even better. They also form a gel when you soak them in water. That gel coats your digestive system and helps reduce inflammation throughout your entire body, not just your joints. Take 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, soak them in a glass of water overnight. In the morning, add a squeeze of lemon and drink it on an empty stomach. Do this every single day. Some people notice their joints feel smoother within a week. Others take 2 or 3 weeks, but almost everyone who sticks with it feels the difference. And by the way, chia seeds also help with constipation, which a lot of seniors struggle with, so you're getting a 2-for-1 benefit here. Number 4 is dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collards. Your bones support your joints. If your bones are weak, your joints suffer even more. Dark leafy greens are packed with calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K, all essential for bone strength. And unlike dairy, which some seniors can't digest well, greens are gentle on the stomach and easy for your body to absorb. Eat at least 1 big serving of dark greens every day. You can steam them, sauté them with a little olive oil and garlic, or throw them into a smoothie if you prefer. The key is consistency. Your bones are constantly rebuilding themselves. Feed them every single day, and they'll stay strong enough to support your joints for years to come. And here's the one nobody expects. Number 5 is fresh pineapple. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, and bromelain is a natural anti-inflammatory that specifically targets joint swelling and tissue repair. Athletes have been using it for years to recover from injuries, but it works just as well for everyday joint stiffness in seniors. Eat fresh pineapple, not canned. The canning process destroys the bromelain. Have a small bowl of fresh pineapple chunks as a snack between meals. Aim for 3 to 4 times a week. Some people like to blend it into a smoothie with spinach and chia seeds. That way you're hitting 3 of these superfoods in 1 drink. Trust me, your joints will thank you. Now, before we wrap up, I need to warn you about something. All of these foods can help, but if you're still eating too much sugar and refined oils like vegetable oil, canola oil, or anything fried, you're pouring gasoline on a fire. Sugar and bad oils create inflammation. They undo all the good work these superfoods are trying to do. So if you're serious about feeling better, cut back on sweets and fried foods. You don't have to be perfect, but you do have to be consistent. Listen, I know joint pain can feel hopeless sometimes. I know there are mornings when you wonder if you'll ever feel normal again. But I've seen people in their 70s and 80s turn things around. I've watched them go from struggling to walk to playing with their grandkids on the floor. It's not too late for you. Start with just 1 of these foods this week. Add another next week. Build the habit slowly. Your body will respond. And if this video helped you, please share it with someone you love who's struggling with joint pain. Leave a comment below and let me know which food you're going to try first. Take care of yourself. You deserve to move freely again.